And this is Miss Lane. I am back with a video to show you how we add two-digit numbers using place value strategies. So the equation that I'm going to solve is 42 plus 39 equals an unknown. So just like with the subtraction or actually, any operation, these numbers are both two-digit numbers, so to use place value, we're going to draw a place value chart that has tens and ones. I know that I need to start with 42. Remember, start, change, results. So the start here is 42, so I'm going to draw 4 tens and 2 ones. I always like to separate the two add-ins just to keep everything organized so that in case we need to compose something, we will know exactly what to do. This number 39 has 3 tens, 10, 20, 30, and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Just a little side note, I always tell the children to try to make an array with their ones. That way, when you go back to count it, it's just easier and faster to count. So now we can figure out what the unknown or the sum of this equation is. So I'm going to start with the ones to see if I have 10. Whenever I get to 10, I need to circle it and move it over to the tens place. So I know I have 2 here, so I'll just count on. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to stop and put a lasso around it and tell the boys and girls that when we get to 10, we pretend like we're cowgirls or cowboys, put a lasso around it, gather them up, and move them over to the tens place. So this is no longer here because we have composed it over here. Now let's count the tens to see if we have 10 tens. If so, we'll have to compose 100. If not, we'll leave it as is. Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I'm going to draw or write 80 there. And I have this little 1 left. So the total is 81. Now, there you go. I'm going to do the same equation, but this time I'm going to use an open number line. So, I start a number line on the page, go all the way over. And remember, it's an open number line. Number lines go on forever, so I can just start right here with the greatest number. That number happens to be 42. Here we go. And I need to add on 39. So I'm going to add on 3 tens, 10, 20, 30, and I'm going to show and label the jumps. That way I remember exactly what I need to add later. There we go. So 42 plus 10 is 52. 52 plus 10 is 62. And 62 plus 10 is 72. Now I need to add on 9 ones. These are called little tiny ones jumps. 10 jumps are big, 1 jumps are small. So I'm going to count on 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. So 72, oops, I didn't label the jumps, just like I said to do. We just do plus 9. So 72 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81. And so the sum of 42 plus 39 is 81.